The 144th Commemoration of Imphi yaseSdlwana was a golden opportunity of speaking about black masculinity, but somehow everybody missed it and it became a viral load of toxic demonstration of egos and politics. I see amabutho as one of the reasons behind uZulu esabeka noZulu ehlonishwa. They represent the ultimate power, which is to protect and keep what is rightfully their own. And that is something that we don't see often in our modern societies. Black masculinity is constantly under attack. And for me, this commemoration would have been a perfect time to discuss in depth some of the things that men can do in societies to make themselves better and also to bring back the dignity of the black man, to bring back the divine black masculine. When I think of amabutho of that time, often other people think of them from a military strategy as to how powerful and the strength that they have. However, I go deeper than that because I go into the reasons behind being Ibuto, the essence of being Ibuto, and how it actually contributed to the greatness of the Zulu nation. Based off from my observation, I realized that Amabutho were fighting for three things. One, to protect their wives and children. Secondly, to protect their wealth. And third, to protect their land. I feel that these are some of the things that could be discussed in matters of black masculinity, because we know that the black man is constantly under attack, and the black man has also been made to turn his back against the black woman. So I felt that such a commemoration could have been a perfect time to discuss a way forward. Yes, some things were touched upon on that commemoration, but I just felt that it wasn't enough. I felt that the one thing that was trending more is the political side of things, whereas I felt that Amabuto deserved a more dignified, event. An event that's not going to just honor what they did back then, but an event that was going to, show how their legacy lives on now and what they can do to evoke the spirit of Amabuto, because Amabuto are warriors and warriors never die. Their spirit constantly live on.